So I was told that I didn't need to say hi guys anymore because every YouTuber out there says hi guys. So let's change it up a little bit. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, we're going to do a little landscaping. Cold here today, 50 something degrees. That's cold compared to what it has been. So it's sweatshirt weather right now. All right. So we've been working on the front of our house and we don't have any landscaping. We tore out some shrubs. So got a truckload of stuff here. Some soil, some plants. We already had some plants, we got more now. We got enough, I think, to do the whole front of the house. So we're going to get started. The plan is I'm going to take a weed eater and weed eat all this grass and stuff all the way down to the soil. And then I'm going to lay out the plants and stuff that we're going to use. We have some boxwoods and some trees and some kind of grass. I don't remember what it's called. Grass with yellow in the middle of the leaf. It's green with yellow in the middle, or lime color. And that's going to go in there. So we're going all the way around the porch, all the way down to the end of the house. Starting on that end. Got these trees, 4 of them. We're going to put one here, same thing over there, one there, one there. Tried something new this year with tomato plants, growing them upside down in a bucket. So far it's working really good. These things are taking off. Already got blooms, and this one over here even has some small tomatoes on it. So that's turning out pretty good. Shonda, however, does not like my Lowe's buckets hanging on her patio. But you know, hey Lowe's, if you want to sponsor me, I'd take it. I was also asked if Columbia is a sponsor of my channel, because I love Columbia hats, pro fishing gear hats. Got some shirts, stuff like that. So the answer is no, Columbia does not sponsor my channel. I just like their hats, I like to fish, and I like their shirts, I like their clothes. So hey, Columbia, if you want to sponsor me, I won't say no. So let's get to weed eating. Breakdown. So we got all of the grass weeded it down short so we can work a little. Next thing we're going to do is set the plants out exactly where we want them, and I'll dig holes for them. Alright, we got everything kind of laid out how we want it. Start digging holes. Alright, it's the next day. We've already got our landscape fabric laid out and holes cut in it for the holes. So next thing we're going to do is try to level this up a little bit with the dirt we've dug out. And then we got some more dirt here in the truck that we'll be using. We got this one side pretty much done. Shonda's giving everything a good drink of water. So next, got to finish digging these holes. Do the same thing over there as we did over here. And then we got to do something with the edging around the edge of it. And we're going to get a load of river rock, a couple of pickup truck loads of river rock, put it in here, and then we'll be done. Did I mention that our soil is extremely hard here? This is working me to death. Alright, got all the holes dug and the smoking hot wife. Got this side done today. Looking good.
Thank you, Dad. I'm not getting very far.
Looks like you're doing pretty good to me. Nice and straight. So as you can see, we got a string running down through here to show us where the top of the bricks go and make sure we stay in a straight line and the level on it. My battery went dead on my phone, so I didn't get the last bit of it. We've got those laid. Smoking hot wife's putting some water on them to set the concrete in. Need some right here. In the end there. Okay, should be good. So the sidewalk is going to go down through here. We're going to take all this out. It's a mess. Take it all out, pour concrete. One more side to go. We're going to tackle that tomorrow. Spraying it in. And we're done with that project. That part of it anyway. Still got to do the rock. Alright guys, we got our edging done. And now we're ready for some rock. Got a scoop full of rock here, so I'm going to start shoveling it in. We'll start on this end. First load is done. Looks pretty daggone good. Alright guys, we're going to end this video off here. I still got some more rock to get, finish up the other side, but that'll give you an idea there what it's going to look like. Landscaping has been a long process so far. We have worked really hard, but it's going to be a bit before I can get the rest of the rock, so we're going to go ahead and end it off there. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe. See ya.